Good morning. This presentation is for you and you only, so pay attention. Ever wonder how carbon are made? Like though they used to make window glasses. Now, let's go! Before starting analyzing your business's operations management, let's take a look at the decision-making matrix. We use a decision-making matrix to choose a company. There are two options. The first is Thinh Handicraft in Phuc, Hà Nội. The second is CIC Carbon in Bỉm Sơn, Thanh Hóa. We had a list of criteria include location, scale, information public, product quality, reputation, popularity, and health concern. In conclusion, we chose CIC Carbon with 356 points. First of all, we move to introduction of the company CIC. CIC Carbon comprises the production company, CIC Carbon Materials Joint Stock Company, and the trading company, Thanh Huyền Company Limited. The company is headquartered at number 8 Phạm Đình Trường, Dịch Vọng Hậu Vừa, Cầu Giấy District, Hà Nội, and the factory in Đồng Xuân Vừa, Bỉm Sơn Thảo, Thanh Hóa Province. The company was established on December 29, 2021. They are the only company in Vietnam that produces deep process anthracite coal with a total factory capacity of 1,500 tons a month from mine in Hòn Gai, Quảng Ninh, Vietnam. The main products are high-purity carbon coal, additive for steel making, industrial casting, and anthracite coal for water purification. Their products have been exported internationally to Japan, Australia, China. The organization graph describes the responsibilities and focus areas of different departments within a company involved in operation management. The department include management, materials, production, quality control, and logistics with specific responsibilities such as product quality assurance, production process optimization, inventory management, and transportation. Each department has its own purpose and KPI to achieve operational efficiency and company growth.
The Ishikawa diagram highlights the major factors contributing to unstable productivity within a system. The analysis categorized this issue into four main groups: materials, people, machine, and management. So for the material, you can see that there's two significant issues that are evident in the materials. The first one with a high defection rate of raw one, and the second one with a shortage of raw materials. These two can create delays and interruption in the workflow and prevent the system from effectively meeting the product's target. The second one was the people category. This uncovered multiple challenges related to human resource, including the unawareness of health concerns, high requirements for machine operation, lack of human resources, and also health workload. Under the machine category, the prolonged time required for the maintenance process significantly disrupts the production schedule. It not only affects output, but also increases operational costs and further exacerbating the problem of unstable productivity. And lastly, the management category. It reveals the shortcomings in operational oversight with lack of necessary skills to perform tasks efficiently, which can lead to the errors and inconsistency. While raw materials are not entirely scarce, the limited supply often forces CIC to purchase at a higher cost, and this can lead to a financial loss of 8,200 with the unstable productivity. For our current SOP, the entire production process typically spans 3.5 to 4 days and is divided into pre-primary stages. The first one is order receipt and raw material preparation. In this step, we include 3 pre-steps: order acquisition, raw material importation, and raw material screening. The second step was production, including firing, curing, cooling, and sizing. And final one was the quality control, packaging, and distribution, which includes quality inspection, transportation to packaging area, packaging, and either direct sale or export. The safety included in this SOP was a coal mining post with occupational hazards. High temperature spark and coal dust inhalation require strict safety measures. Mandatory respiratory protection, clear hazard signals, and a reliance fire alarm system are crucial. Regular health assessment are essential for employees too, and also the detailed operating instruction and safety warning must be provided for all machinery due to the continuous 24/7 operation. For the proposed SOP, by repurposing the indoor warehouse on-site as a packaging facility, CIC company can eliminate this transportation step. So this change will directly reduce the labor and transportation costs by approximately $53 per production cycle while maximizing the utilization of existing resources. Moving up was the Operation Executive Dashboard, which will provide an overview of KPIs and metrics about CIC company. Executive and manager can use it to monitor performance and make informed about decisions quickly. So the average daily products per quarter was in an upward trend from 80 tons per day to 19 and 108 tons per day. Employer productivity also showed to be inconsistent with the evident productivity rate of 14 to 20 tons per person per day. The cost of producing 1 ton is estimated to be $205 to $215, including full electricity, depreciation, and other factors. Order fulfillment time takes factory 12 to 15 days to include all the steps required to include the quantity of raw materials. On-time delivery, most orders are delivered on time to create the trust with both domestic and international customers for a long-term partnership and also the frequent large-scale order. And finally was the defection rate and first part yield. The company defect rates were around 20 to 40%, with the product under customer requirement will be repaired and will not be discarded. So for the recommendation for SOP, we can eliminate the unnecessary transportation costs from the total around 45 to 55 per cycle by repurposing an indoor warehouse at the production site for packaging. CIC can eliminate these costs to save $53 per cycle, equating to $15,900 annually. For the recommendation for Ishikawa diagram, CIC is facing a significant financial loss due to waste, low productivity, and inefficiencies. By implementing a series of improvements, the company can significantly boost the bottom line. By improving quality control and optimizing processes, the company can reduce waste to saving over $149,000 annually. They also can boosting the productivity with the production by 6 to 12 tons daily, generating an addition of $20,000 to $30,000 in profit. The inventory optimizing can also just-in-time system can holding costs by $10,000 to $15,000 per year. The minimizing downtime with the predictive maintenance can help the machine utilization, adding $50,000 in annual revenue. And finally, the enhancing safety can improve safety measure with the saving of $5,000 annually. This part is about how we calculate the IRR. The internal rate of return, IRR, is a metric used to measure the profitability of an investment or project. It represents the rate at which the present value of own future cash flow, such as profits or savings, is equal to the initial investment. In simpler terms, it's the break-even interest rate for your investment. By calculating the IRR before constructing an addition packaging plants, we estimated that the annual cash flow as follows. The initial cost equals to minus $2.6 million
USD, and the OCFs are calculated by the following formulas. Depreciation rates are based on marks for 7-year property, including machinery and equipment in the factory. The results are shown in the table below. From that, the IRR before is calculated to be minus 14%, indicating that the business is currently unable to recover its initial investment. After analyzing the issues through the Ishikawa diagram and standard operating procedures, SOPs, we propose the following investment. First, we construct a new warehouse for 120,000 USD and investing 20,000 USD in worker training, improving equipment safety, reducing maintenance time, and enhancing the quality control system. Therefore, the new initial cost equal to 2,740,000 USD. The OCFs each year added an amount of 255,000 USD, and the depreciation rates are still based on marks for 7-year property, including existing machinery and equipment in the factory, as well as the new factory buildings and machinery. The results are shown in the table below. The new IRR is calculated to be 1%, indicating that the business will be able to recover its initial investment after implementing the recommended improvements. The return on investment is higher due to the larger initial investment, along with the savings of 255,000 USD each year.
So moving up to the conclusion. So CICI got the strengths and challenges to look forward to. For the strength, the company advanced technology with high-quality products. However, the high transport costs, workforce limitation, and supply chain issues can be something that the company should be aware about. Our strategic improvements was all about money. On-site packaging can save us at least 15,900 per year. Workforce productivity can offer us gain 20,000 to 30,000 per year. JIT inventory can save us 10,000 to 15,000 per year. Predictive maintenance can earn us 50,000 per year, and safety measures can save 5,000 per year. CIC for the outcome was to enhance the efficiency, reduce costs, increase revenue, and allow sustainable growth. And that's all of our presentations today. Thank you for listening.